We live today at Goddesslinekennels. Today we will be doing a puppy mush video. As you can see, I already have all the ingredients and everything that we're using. I already have the kibble in the grater. So basically, I'm gonna just go ahead and grate this up. So once it's kind of grated up to like a nice powder substance, then we can just pour it into the bowl. Got some water. I don't know if the camera can see this. Could you see inside the bowl? You can. Let them see what we cooking up over here. So basically it's a little thick right now. We can add a little more water to it. Then we also have some cut yams. We also have some oats. Don't beat me about your oats. And I have an egg as well. You could put the whole shell in there if you want, but I'm not gonna put the shell in there. And also, if you don't have sweet potatoes, you can actually use pumpkin as well. I think I'm gonna add a little more water to it, just a little bit. And a lot of times puppies aren't familiar with lapping the water up, so this is another way that you can get them to drink water by putting it in the mush. So this is how we make puppy mush. I think I should go give it to him. I'll be getting my feet in there. Feet off. Really gonna put my toes in there. As y'all can see, I guess we did a pretty good job making it. As you can see, I guess they like what we doing or what we cooked up for them. So also, if you on Instagram, follow us on at Goddesslinekennels. And every Wednesday, me and my guy Aaron, Queen City Bullies Aaron, we do a stack off Wednesday. It's live on Instagram every Wednesday at 10 o'clock from 10 to 11. And also be sure to tell a friend about Goddesslinekennels. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.